Hi, my name is Daniela from TopTalk, and today I'm going to go over the dashboard. So our dashboard contains all the analytics regarding your cards and profile. Here you will be able to see the amount of visits per card, the amount of prospects, the social networks and interactions with each social network. For example, here it details the visits per month. It would also give you a yearly one, and in the social networks, it gives an account and percentage of the most used social networks and the which one is more interacted with. In interactions, it will show you what is the most popular interaction, for example, adding to contacts, either calling or visiting a website. Here it would also show you the amount of devices that have been accessing the dashboard and the amount of browsers, and it would also name each browser. And this is just a map of all the locations that your dashboard has been accessed in. To move on to the menu, here when it says My Products, you can view all your products. In virtual cards, you can create a new virtual card or edit your profile through here. If your card is ever lost, you can report it as lost through here by clicking this module. We also have an option to add email signatures. You can select which email you're using and add it. And for referring a friend, you can earn different products depending on how many friends you refer. Here you can copy the link and they can use this link and you will earn credit for referring them. And if you ever wish to change your password, you can do so here as well.